Ladies and gentlemen, aunties, uncles, boys and girls, and people that crack eggs without checking first. Welcome back to the channel where science meets pure chaos. Today's episode of our kitchen hacks is titled, Are these eggs still good, or are they planning something? Because listen, nothing ruins your day faster than cracking an egg and discovering it has already started its own life journey. So today we are doing a simple experiment to find out if these eggs are all innocent or is any already a disaster. No lab coats, no PhD, just water and vibes. Right here I have a bowl of water, clean water, fresh water, okay? Not water that has seen things. And then in it I have some eggs. Looking normal, looking calm. But we don't judge eggs by their shells, okay? Because some eggs are quite villains. Now, according to science, yes, real science, not some other type of science, a fresh egg sinks, a bad egg floats. Meaning if an egg floats, my friend, it's not breakfast, it's a biohazard. Wait, why is this particular egg rising? Why is it coming up like it's paid rent there? Go back down. Who told you to float? Friends, this egg is floating. Not leaning, not thinking about it. Floating. This egg said, I am no longer part of this household. This is not an egg. It's a submarine. What do you think? So what's happening here? As eggs get old, gas builds up inside. Meaning, this egg has been holding secrets. Air entered. Freshness exited. And now it floats like an alarm clock when you finally decide to rest. Moral of the story: if your egg floats, don't argue, don't negotiate, just say goodbye respectfully. So there you have it, quick, easy and drama-free way to know if your egg is still good or if it has already graduated from this world. Don't go yet, let me share a bonus tip with you. Another way to avoid ruining your moment in the kitchen is to crack the egg singly in a separate bowl, so as to avoid the saying that one bad egg will spoil the rest. But for the eggs you want to boil, use the experiment I displayed. Also, it is safest to pick the fresh eggs directly from the poultry. What do you think? Let's know in the comments your method of avoiding spoiled eggs. If you enjoyed this experiment, laughed a bit or learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss more fun experiments like this, because we test things so you don't suffer in the kitchen. Until next time, check your eggs, check your vibes, and stay floating, but not like this egg. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.